What's up, what's up? So today, it's a little different, more casual kind of vibe. It's a vlog, no intention, no direction. It's more like a day in the life kind of little family day going on today. So as y'all guessed it, I already came from the gym, smashed the lifting session. Today was more like a pump day, just like a fun day I like to throw in. Just do whatever, lift whatever, obviously get a pump by the name and title. So, but finished off with some cardio as usual. I do cardio every single day, makes me feel great. And do incline treadmill, as you know, that's the magic right there. You know what I'm saying? Magic comes with the effort that's needed to make it happen, you know what I mean? But as a fact of the matter, right now I pulled up to this breakfast joint, right? Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. Never tried it before, and I don't know what to expect. I do kind of think that they're a health-oriented place a little bit, so more, not like in comparison to like your Denny's or IHOP. It's just standard breakfast items, but I actually think that this is more like they have egg white options or add veggies, a lot of alterations. So that's why I classify it as a health-oriented place in comparison to Denny's, which is straight whole eggs. You know what I mean? Don't really have substitutions so much in a healthier direction, but definitely gonna be trying this out, and I'm excited for it. I got my meal, kind of predetermined, or of course, you know what I'm saying. I'm one that always, when I go to a restaurant, it's simple as ever. Google your best friend, look it up, what the menu's gonna be looking like, and you could make a sensible choice, with your particular goals and your shape and your body frame and what you want to eat, right? So, on the menu for me, all right, I already know I got a Belgian waffle, right? I'm gonna be getting one, of course. You gotta always go one of those ways, either pancakes, Belgian waffles, French toast, if you're in a breakfast joint. And I got a little, for the entree, I got more so like a egg white, it's gonna be a scramble. I'm gonna add some veggies to it, turkey bacon, turkey sausage, one of those, and some toast. You know what I mean? So we keep it kind of casual, but you know what I'm saying? I'm excited for that Belgian waffle because it's only right, you know what I mean? But, you know what I mean? I'm that guy, you know what I'm saying? And if you didn't know, I'm that guy. So, as you know, breakfast joints typically, when Belgian waffles, pancakes, French toast comes in the mix, it is normal to put on syrup. But as I said, I'm that guy. I got right here beside me in the car, okay? Got some sugar-free syrup, of course, okay? Because that's the only way to get right when you at a breakfast joint. Because, we still trying to keep our physiques, all right? So, yes, I'm that guy. And one more reminder for y'all. But I'm actually going to bring that in there with me. I don't got no shame because I don't give no crap about people's opinions, about what they say, what they think. Because guess what? I'm living me. I'm doing me, and I'm doing what's best for me, okay? And that is how to do it, all right? Hey, a lot of people call it selfish, but a lot of people also call it, chasing big things. You know what I'm saying? That's my focus towards it. But this little endeavor, all right, my breakfast joint today, I'm not gonna be accompanied solo. I'm gonna be with my peoples, my moms, my brother, and my sister. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my little camera in there. I'm gonna see if I get a little vlog in, but most definitely I'm gonna take some pictures of my feast, right? And I might get a little addition, content footage with the vlog with them in it. You know what I mean? Y'all can check them out. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna take y'all along with me, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all when I get in there. All right, so this is what we working with. This is what we working with right here. Got the food, got bro food right here, okay? Y'all follow him on IG, okay? I'm gonna put an IG up right there. We got that right there. We got a little Sabri right there. Okay. All right, we about to smash this. Let's go. So if you think of it like, yeah, 'cause I know you watch like TikTok stuff like that. This is how they be doing it, like on the little comedy skits. Like they post it up and like they be pranking like the people. Like that. Yeah, I just watched one. That was kind of crazy. It was a guy and a girl, right? And then the guy was in your seat, right? And the girl was the driver. And he put like the Mentos, the things that make the soda bubbly, right? So he was drinking soda, right? And then the prank was a fake seizure prank, right?
Oh, okay.
Bro, that girl, but it was his girlfriend. But I feel so bad for her because but he was like, and then he put the Mentos in his mouth.
Over here.
Bro, he got like the foam and shit. When she ran out the car, bro, she like opened up. She was like, babe, bro.
I seen two things of that, and the girl didn't do the right thing in that situation. In both videos.
Bro, what would you do? What do you think is the right?
You gotta pull them out of the car, right, and then put them on their side.
Who taught you that? How you know that, bro?
Cause I know. I know how.
Did they teach you at Naruto, bro?
No.
Did that be going down?
But yeah, you do have to put them on your side.
It's good to know that you know them.
You're just like grabbing on his shirt.
Yeah, but like if anything, you're gonna cause more damage because you could be stopping. You gotta hold them still, or you gotta because the thing is they shake too much. They can shake your
body either.
Don't hang with a fuck with chicks, they relying with flames, like gang banging niggas in the field. No flagging, toe tagging niggas doing drills. They talking but ain't doing shit. I'm so true to this, don't give a fuck about your future, bitch. I live this fucking speed, making this song, take it home, trying to play a nigga. I don't get on tracks to say on niggas, I just swing on nigga, bro, running till like four, something living like a star. Don't mind it, but like 4 onions in this rental car. All that hating shit, they gay and shit, they gon' get you far. All that acting like your body, that shit might get you shot. They mad up and they lose me. My little brother, he's stupid, pop beans, yeah, he's stupid. I pop me the Uzi, big clip, shoot a movie. Niggas ain't they feelings, they bitches be picking and choosing.
was up. So we had a little pet supermarket right here, and we don't know what's about to go down. You might get something. We might be walking out with a little creature or something. But I'm gonna bring y'all inside. We're gonna see what's up.
Let me show you which ones are where.
All right, bro. Let me know what you know about these boys right here.
I believe. Okay. That one right there gotta be the nicest one. That one's like yellow.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
blue,
Yo, I bet you that
black.
boy got all the females in the cage, bro.
Right.
That's the alpha male.
They got all the colors on them. I mean,
Exactly.
But this one right here, it's a beautiful green right here.
They probably chill with each other, bro.
This
Look,
one-
okay, hold on. Look
these
at
two
homeboy right here, bro.
look
Just eyeing us, bro. Yo, you got a problem, my boy? You got a yo.
Yo.
Yo, I think he's trying to, huh?
I'll
Yeah,
be
he-
gentle though.
Yeah, was that like a nibble? Like. So like, what about these right here?
I'm
though?
petting him. I'm petting him.
Look,
Look, I'm petting him. Get on the camera. Get on the
it's
camera.
not. Okay, bro. Bird whisperer. That boy said, "Give me a scratch. Give me get a little bit off the top, my boy." Hey, bro. I mean, you know what I mean? He probably just trying to sell himself, bro. He like, bro, I'm gonna make this guy think I'm good, bro.
You try. He's gonna put his head there. See, he wants to get fed.
That's kind of crazy, bro. I ain't gonna.
It's cool though, right?
It's cool, bro, but
He's still scared.
let me tell you, I do not like birds. I
Yo.
got bad experiences with birds.
Yo, tell him the
all the
story.
way.
Tell him the story.
Tell him the story, bro. Should I tell him the story? All right. Anyways, so thing is, it was a little way back when, right? That supermarket, and I'm talking about so homeboy right here, like the same one that I was just touching. It was a guy that worked there, and he was holding on his arm and all that. But the guy said, "Oh yeah, he's friendly." He put him on my wrist, right? And I'm always wearing my watch or something. But I got a scar right there. That look, I don't know, you can see that little brown speck right there? Okay, that is not no more. Okay, I was not born with that. That's a scar because that boy tore my skin up, Angel, bro. Yo, I think he liked jewelry or something. I don't know what it was, but he just don't like me.
Bro, it was an Apple Watch.
Bro, it whatever watch, bro. That boy was tearing it up, bro. Like he was hungry, bro. So ever since then, bro, you're not gonna catch me touching no birds. That's a no. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Bro, I heard of a hamster, right? I heard of a guinea pig. A guinea pig. But hold on, bro, I gotta come back to that. What the hell is that? It's called a skinny pig. All right, so we're gonna see what this little creation is over here. Yo, is he frozen though?
Hey, he's probably nervous. Just gotta make sure that you can see.
Right here, you the first one up, bro. Yeah, you touching him right in his bald spot. Yo.
Touching his back because that's like a dominance thing in guinea pigs.
Oh, okay. So what they like dominance, like what, like male to female dominance?
It can be male to male too, so he doesn't really appreciate.
You know what, bro? I think you razzled, you razzled his dazzle, bro. So I think yeah, I'm gonna pass on touching him. All right, bro, do your thing, bro. Boy gonna pet a goldfish. First time going down. Yo, bro, just give him a little scratch on his head, bro. You know what I mean? Like, how does it feel? Does it feel like slimy?
No, it just, I don't know.
I do like their tails though, like just over how it's like so like floppy. Are these baby versions right here of them?
Yeah, they can get like the size of them. Not the same type, but they can get big. And they're not the same.
Boy's dropping right there.
That's crazy.
Yeah. All right, bro. Yeah, put that hand out, bro. Put that hand out.
I'm not scared until anything happens. So,
Hey, bro. Just think of it like this, bro. If it.
he doesn't like
Hey, bro, I think you like the color of that shirt right there, bro.
That's good.
You sure?
You look real funny.
Yeah, why you shaking so much, bro? Yo, hold the snake still.
He's going with the arm.
He's not gonna
Nah.
like the bottom of mine.
That's nice though. Is it completely like his whole body is like a solid white?
Be careful, because that's sticking his tongue out, he's gonna bite you.
You sure?
It's okay. He's sticking his tongue out, so I think that's a good sign. We're trying to say what's up to the vlog. Okay. Okay.
That's cool.
Well, we'll get the flex though, bro. Get the flex, bro. You know what I'm saying? This guy, I think he tasted some of that pancake syrup. You know what I mean? We just came from the breakfast spot. Do they what do they eat? They eat like bugs. Oh, nice.
Snakes don't eat bugs, that's
You get close, so you get close, man. You can see.
usually he's not that faded out. Usually he has more color to him.
So Angel, bro, so
Okay.
you said you wanted to
No,
see
no,
it
I'm
kinda
good.
close?
I'm good.
You sure?
I'm good.
I was just making sure. You sure?
Yeah.
You know the time right now.
Alright, that's all.
All right, bro. I did that say with the snake, bro. I like him though, bro. Look at his colors though. He's like so colorful.
There's a baby.
Any toys you want to get for the gooch? Look, pizza. Let me see that pizza right there. How many calories do you think this is right here? Huh? Got that protein? Oh yeah, I like that.
He's going through a little bit of an issue right now.
Really got a temper tantrum.
So,
So let me ask you. So you know when people ask you like the whole thing, right? Because no one ever asked you to hold the spider.
we've had people come in and not take them.
Really?
I mean,
So
I don't
are you comfortable holding the spider?
I mean,
I mean, if you're not comfortable. So you want to hold anything, Angel?
get you got a bearded dragon. They don't do anything. They're really comfortable.
So Angel, I'm asking you that question again. You want to hold anything, my boy?
Yeah, be the dragon.
Being a dragon? Okay. I guess you want to go with the dragon.
Oh, you down with that?
Yo, they got the extra large one for you, bro. Yo, you thought you were gonna get this one over here? Nah, bro, you gonna get the super size.
They're all the way at the top.
Oh, he's up there?
Yeah, they're all the way up there.
Hey, bro, ain't no going back, bro.
So they don't do nothing.
They don't do nothing. They don't do nothing. They do everything. Okay, they don't do nothing. They do everything, my bro. Yo, why you shaking, bro? Yo, hold them still.
Yo, who's shaking?
Yo, why you shaking so much?
Who's
bro?
shaking right now?
Hold them still, bro.
I don't know who's shaking.
That's just a baby. They can get way bigger.
His tail is hard. And he not. Oh, that's
Like,
close.
not counting the tail, they can get like that big.
Oh,
Like, they
yeah.
get big.
And they get like thick too. Like they get like
Yeah.
I don't like when they get big. I like it like this size.
Boys get fat.
All right. So, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is hot as shit right now. Okay, Port St. Lucie for y'all. Okay, it is about 95 degrees about that at 2 o'clock. All right, but that's gonna be a wrap up on the day. Okay, I appreciate y'all for watching. Okay, and it's a little random, you know, a little day plan, right? But you know what I mean, it was a lot of laughs, a lot of fun, and it don't gotta be fitness related because I want to bring y'all along my passion of just, you know, vlogging and just in general, like spending a good time, and y'all seeing the smiles, the talking, and all the, you know, the randomness. All right, and it's a little insight into just my day, my, you know, dynamic of how I do things. Went to the gym, ate some good food, went to the store, and now I'm taking off because I gotta go shower up, you know what I mean? Because it's about that time, right? Because we just went by my bum, you know, task after the next one, you know what I mean? We just went into it, but I'm gonna go shower up. I gotta work later, and I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all stuck around, I want y'all to type down in the comments, okay, pet store, okay? Pet store, simple, quick, all right? But it's gonna help out the algorithm. It's gonna help out, you know, push this video out, and it's gonna show me that y'all actually watching me, right? So I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.